Here's a great year-round cardstock tutorial for you. It is focusing on these smiley flowers, and we're going to make two different options. One where it's just the circle with the face poking through, and then the other one where it is the full flower, no painting required. So here's the different things you'll need. You'll need this cut file, and it's linked in the video notes. Everything, I always link everything in the video notes. So you'll want that file. You'll also need this smiley face flower. Sorry, I forgot to pull it up in advance, but it's from Natollie. And make sure you get this smiley retro flower. There's some other options, but they're sized differently. So this is the one that I used for sizing. And then you'll also want to make sure you have some patterns. Creative Fabrica is my favorite place right now to find designs because I just paid a one-time fee, you can do monthly. I just paid for a year up front, and so now everything on their website is just included in what I pay, which is really nice. So I went ahead and I just searched for spring seamless, and then here are some options that I found. So they have tons and tons of options. I just went ahead and picked one that I liked and downloaded it. So it was this colorful spring seamless pattern. And like I said, everything's just included in what I paid for, and they're running some really nice deals right now. If you use my link, I do get a small commission, so that is super appreciated if you decide to subscribe. Also grabs these glitters to match the flowers that I picked. So then you'll want to go to Canva, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to upload all of those files. So whatever designs you picked, the flower, SVG, and then you could also go ahead and use these other middle smiley faces and things like that. The sizing would work on any of them. So if you want any of these smiles, go for it. So you're going to just upload it into Cricut Design Space. You can name it what you'd like. And then once you have everything uploaded, then you're ready to go. Okay, I sped all of this up so you wouldn't have to sit here and watch me upload them for a couple minutes. But my patterns aren't working, which is why I'm just uploading them as images so that we can go ahead and use the slice option to add the pattern. So once you have them, you're going to click what you want to add to your canvas, and then you're going to click Add to Canvas. And then once it's done thinking, you'll have them all ready to go. Okay, so I'm just going to make these smaller so they're easier to work with. Here is your different sizes. So if you want the full cardstock, there is your sizing. And then if you want just the face, there is the sizing for that. Sorry, the sizing got cut off. It's 2.27 for both if you're just doing the face. So then what we're going to do for the full flower, we're going to click on that ring of the leaves and weld them together so that we can work with them as one piece and then attach them to the rest. Then we're doing the same thing with the smile. So then we're going to go ahead and we are going to change everything to a print then cut, and you can do that by clicking at the top. And then once that's done, you can start adding different colors and patterns to all of your pieces. So these are patterns that I've uploaded before. Cricut isn't working right, they're not working right, as often happens. And so they're not letting me upload new patterns, which is why I uploaded these, and then I'm going to slice them. So I'm clicking on the glitter, and then I'm clicking on the center face piece to make sure they're both selected, and then I'm clicking the button that says slice. Then you're going to delete the extra pieces, so the extra border and then the face, and then you're left with your new sliced face. And I'm going to go ahead and do that same exact thing but with this flower background. So I'm showing you again the option that you could just do patterns that you have uploaded. So these are patterns that I've uploaded as I've had my Cricut. Or you can go ahead and slice a new pattern over the top. So I make sure I have the ring selected of the pattern, click slice, and then delete all the extra pieces. And then once those extra pieces are deleted, that's going to let you see your flower. And it's always hard to tell what you like till you see it. I decided that I actually really hated the pink center, so I just went ahead and changed it to a solid color. Do you have it how you like it? Select all those pieces, flatten it, and then you're ready to go make it. I'm going to go ahead and unflatten it so I can show you how to do just the face. So I'm going to unflatten and delete all of the pieces that are not that face piece, and then you can go ahead and you can play around with patterns on that face until you find the ones that you want. And on this option, your beads are going to show through, so you're going to want to make sure that you choose beads that coordinate with the patterns that you choose. Then once they're cut out, you're ready to go ahead and use them in your Freshies. Thanks so much for watching. As always, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. That helps YouTube know that what I'm doing is helping you. And then if you ever see someone asking for help on Facebook, please send them my link. That helps a lot. Thanks so much, guys.